Every founder is a warrior. For 9 nights, the Devi fought to restore balance. For a startup, those 9 nights represent the journey from a raw idea to a world-changing reality. It is the late-night coding, the almost moments, and the final breakthroughs. But the greatest secret of Navaratri is that Shakti is never found in isolation. It is found in the ecosystem. At Digital Startup India, we provide the ground where entrepreneurs meet. Because when we connect today, we do not just survive, we grow tomorrow. This Chaitra Navratri 2026, let us stop building in the dark and start growing in the light. Which stage of the 9-day journey are you in? Day 1 to 3, setting the foundation. Day 4 to 6, scaling the hustle. Day 7 to 9, final execution. Tell us your story in the comments.
Building something big, you're not alone anymore. Join Digital Startup India today and grow with founders who think like you.